number of ways you can do this. I like to go like this, and you can kind of turn the tire as you go. But you can kind of see this as I go here. When the lighting ain't right. Like that. I used to be able to do this like a lot longer. I can only do it so long now. But I mean, you can pinch that sucker pretty good. It's nylon. So you can go like this, but don't go this way. You know? Don't go this way. You go this way. You know, don't hold it. Don't hold it like this. Don't hold it like that. I mean, actually, well, I shouldn't say that. I actually do like some of this older ones. I kind of go on the side. At the end, I go like this and around. Take off the edge, because you know sometimes they're really like bad edge on it. But you gotta make sure you're not gonna damage your whole thing. But you do that at the end. Take off your edges, turn around, because your tire itself touches the ground, not just at the tips, but they compress and the edges hit the ground too. So it just looks real. I mean, you go up the real trucks and you look at your tires. It's like, make sure you go all around. But another what I used to do, another position is hold it like this and keep this turn it like this. This is what I used to do. But my fingers got really sore doing this all the time. And turn it. Here I go. That was unnecessary and stupid. Especially with these older ones because they're thicker and heavier. Really, you know. I found it just as easy just to hold it nice and tight. And just go like this, and your fingers aren't really doing nothing. You're just holding nice and tight. Okay, just move it a little bit and hold it. And I'm pressing pretty tight. I do go around the edges like that if I wanted to, but I'm pressing so tight that it's pushing into it. So it's actually getting the edges anyways. As you see, I don't know if you can even see it. But it's always the direction of the tire would go skidding, touching them. And I only do these in one or two at a time, maybe a couple days. Maybe get a set done a day if I really tried. But it's not necessary to get one done a whole day, you know. I'm not going to be done with the model in one day anyway, so once I start a model, I'll do tire here and there. By the time I'm done with the model, I'll actually have my tires done by then. You know what I mean? Sometimes it's just good exercise for your, wrists and stuff. So, you see so many professionals, they call themselves professionals, at car shows, model shows, whatever you call them, and their tires look like that. Look just like that. Like, serious? You do all that work and you leave your tires look like that? Really? Can't even make them look like that? At least, how much different that looks. This doesn't take that long, you know. It's a lot of work. Alright, mostly what I wanted to show you. Just a quick video. And like I said, make sure your raised letters are on the outside where everybody will see it. And that pad printed shit is on the back side. You know, one side doesn't have nothing at all. One side will barely have something that goes to the back side. And I didn't do this one yet. Here, I was gonna show you. Once you do these tires, the old classic ones, they'll be outside. And you do your edges. I kind of go around the outside of these two, but I also do the front real light. And I'll stick this right in there like that. And just go around. A couple times. Oh, look at that. Wipe it off a little. I don't know if that's showing up or not. Can't do the pad printed. But yeah, you just do that a little bit. Sometimes all those, you know, I said I was leaving it by chance, you know, actually just touch it. You don't have to really get on it, just touch it a little bit. Like I said, and you don't have to do the back. It's gonna be dually. You know, make sure that's on the outside. To the outside. And even though it's pad print, you can hardly see it anyways. I'll still put that, you know, to the outside, I guess. These are thin plastic, whatever hell, nylon, whatever hell it is too. This feels different, cheap, thin. All right, peace out.